As India's corona count touches the 4 lakh mark, the challenge to fight the pandemic gets tougher. The wait for vaccine is long and uncertain. There is no sure shot medication to treat COVID-19 patients, but hospitals are trying to cure the patients with integrated use of antiviral medicines. In the middle of all the panic, first oral antiviral drug for mild and moderate COVID-19 patients has been launched. Pharmaceuticals company Glenmark on Saturday said it has launched antiviral drug Favipiravir under the brand name FabiFlu for the treatment of patients with mild to moderate COVID-19. The Mumbai-based drug firm had on Friday received manufacturing and marketing approval from Drugs Controller General of India. FabiFlu is the first oral Favipiravir approved medication for the treatment of COVID-19, the company said in a statement. This approval comes at a time when cases in India are spiraling like never before, putting a tremendous pressure on our healthcare system. Glenmark Pharmaceuticals Chairman and Managing Director Glenn Saldanha said. The company hopes that the availability of effective treatments such as FabiFlu will considerably help assuage this pressure and offer patients in India a much needed and timely therapy option, he added. FabiFlu has demonstrated an encouraging response in mild to moderate COVID-19 patients during clinical trials, Saldanha said. Moreover, it is orally administered and so it serves as a more convenient treatment option over other intravenously administered medications, he noted. Glenmark will work closely with the government and medical community to make FabiFlu quickly accessible to patients across the country, Saldanha said. The drug will be available as a prescription-based medication for Rs 103 per tablet, with recommended dose being 1800 mg twice a day, 1, followed by 800 mg twice daily up to day 14. Favipiravir can be used for coronavirus patients with comorbid conditions such as diabetes and heart diseases with mild to moderate COVID-19 symptoms. It offers rapid reduction in viral load within 4 days and provides faster symptomatic and radiological improvement, the drug maker added. Favipiravir has shown clinical improvement of up to 88% in mild to moderate COVID-19 cases, it said. The drug firm had successfully developed the active pharmaceutical ingredient API and the formulation for FabiFlu through its in-house research and development team. India on Saturday saw another record spike of 14,516 new COVID-19 cases in a single day, pushing the tally to 3,95,048, while the death toll rose to 12,948 with 375 new fatalities, according to Union Health Ministry data.